Let's understand the decision making process in business. What is decision making? Decision making is selecting a particular action from the various course of action. So it is selecting a particular action from various course of alternatives. That is, you are going to have various alternatives from which you have to select a particular course of action. So in this process, we have to be very, very careful because we have to take a decision when we don't have all information. That is, we have to face what is known as uncertainties. That is, we are taking decision in the midst of uncertainties. So when you take a decision, you can have any of this output. That is, when you take a decision, and why do you take a decision? You take a decision to achieve an objective. But when you take a decision, you can either achieve the objective, that is, you can either end up in achieving objective, or you may end up in not achieving your objective also. So you have to be very, very careful in a decision making process. So now we'll ask ourselves how to take decision, because we understand decision making is selecting a particular course of action from various alternatives, and we know we have to be very careful because when we take a decision we may either end up in achieving the objective or not achieving objective. So how to take decision? Whether decision making is something which is purely based on guesswork, or is it something fully based on past experience, or do we have any fundamental concepts for decision making? Let me tell you, we basically have some fundamental concepts for decision making. I'll explain, or I'll just draw that what are the fundamental concepts in decision making in the next session.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you wish to learn more on this topic, do check our comprehensive online course. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video lecture, do not forget to click on that like, share and subscribe button with bell icon.